Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Saya Faizal.
Saya Nat.
Kami ingin mengucapkan selamat menyambut
Bulan Ramadan Al-Mubarak kepada muslimin dan muslimat sekalian
di seluruh dunia.
Ikhlas dari kami di
Kinabalu Podcast. Podcast ini dibawakan khas kepada anda oleh NH Travel Sabah. Ingin mengenali Sabah dengan mudah dengan perkhidmatan yang terbaik, NH Travel Sabah adalah solusinya.
Dapatkan itinerary travelling ke negeri di bawah payu ini dengan bantuan NH Travel Sabah. Mereka menyediakan perkhidmatan dari kereta sewa, pakej percutian ground Sabah hingga pengurusan penerbangan anda hanya dengan NH Travel Sabah.
Dan gunakan kod promosi Kinabalu Podcast untuk mendapatkan diskaun dan perk yang hebat daripada NH Travel Sabah. Ikuti mereka di IG, Facebook dan juga TikTok. Mereka NH Travel Sabah atau WhatsApp terus di talian +6011 1644 8484. Saya ulangi +6 011 Sifar 11 1644 hari ini. Pangkis Kihoi.
Ramadan tiba, Ramadan tiba, Ramadan tiba. Marhaban ya Ramadan, marhaban ya Ramadan, marhaban ya Ramadan, marhaban ya Ramadan.
Selamat kembali ke podcast nombor 1 di Sabah. Saya Ricardo.
Dan saya Kenny.
Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast di Sabah.
Legit, super legit.
Dan senyap.
Sangat senyap.
Satu benda yang sangat orang bilang
Controversial lah.
Controversial di scene ini, tapi semua orang agak senyap. Dan aku beranggapan kenapa mereka senyap adalah sebab-sebab yang tertentu lah.
Banyak yang tengah sipping the tea lah. Banyak ah.
Tapi
banyak tea. Tea apa yang
kena spill?
Ya. Tea yang senyap lah. Tidak, doesn't make sense.
Siti Nurhalizadah.
I see.
Anyway, aku salute to Kau apa hal? Podcast Cartel.
Kau apa hal?
Yeah.
Yes.
Kau apa hal?
I like you guys, man.
Group of Bobby and the rest of them, all of our friends di sana, Dorong Max, di Moon, Syam, Bobby. Shout out lah for acknowledging this lah, for acknowledging for acknowledging this issue. Bagi aku something yang really important to be discussed about, to have our point out about this at the same time. Aku macam gemuruh sikit bila mau sentuh ini part lah.
Okay.
Apa yang berlaku dengan Okay Let's Go dengan Welo lah. Welo dengan Okay Let's Go lah.
Yep.
Aku first dapat ni daripada klip-klip ni adalah tiba-tiba lah aku dia FYP lah kira.
Okay.
Dan
TikTok lah.
Aku tak tahu TikTok ke Instagram. I don't remember. I think TikTok probably. Tapi ada orang hantar lah, tuas lah.
Right.
Dapat mention siapa, tapi ada orang hantar lah sama kita. So jangan.
It's blood.
Yeah. Tapi before that disclaimer, this is our point of view. Dan we are trying to be so neutral as neutral as we can be.
Yes.
And we are trying to make sense of orang bilang on whatever happen. Bukan mau ambil limelight pun. Ini disclaimer, kita bukan mau ambil ini because it's content or what.
Yes, whatever opinions that we have here doesn't reflect our stance on any other organization or podcast out there.
Correct.
This is our opinions, purely our opinion, speculation ke apa kan. It is what we know.
Correct. Yes.
That's it.
Yes. So take that. Jangan kamu, I mean apa juga kalau dia mau take it, dia orang punya own perception
take it and pay us lah. No.
Anyway, apa yang berlaku adalah Welo sudah habis kontrak dengan Okay Let's Go.
Yes sir.
So disebabkan oleh habis kontrak, dia orang macam feel free. They feeling like dia orang macam sudah free and they
feel free to talk lah. Yeah, okay.
And giving their opinion and so on lah. So bila tengok tu video at first and second time aku tengok macam the response from Okay Let's Go is they mocking them.
Right.
So aku mau tanya kau, as a neutral podcast listeners ataupun consumer, jangan side mana-mana. Kau rasa tu video mocking atau tidak?
You're talking about the video daripada Welo kan?
Dia cakap pasal ini besar lah, ini lebih besar lah, lebih besar. Okay. Simpan dulu tepi lah, macam gitu.
Okay. Saya punya take lah kan.
Dia
even though dari segi apa yang saya faham Welo ni, it's an open space for them to talk, it's a safe space for them to talk. Even though it's like that, and then okay, before I go into my point, lepas itu diorang macam, if I'm not mistaken diorang claim yang kami main-main je ni, kami cakap je pun gini, and you wanna whack us. I don't know.
Okay.
That's what I heard. Ini dia macam directly lah.
Okay.
Directly macam
I'm gonna give you time to say your point of view.
talk back and talk
Indirectly.
not good lah.
Oh.
Directly.
Oh, okay.
For me, that's a direct response.
So kau subject this as mocking.
I'm mocking, not as macam
Kira perli lah.
teasing lah.
Teasing lah,
For
okay.
me, it's teasing lah.
Alright,
More like
alright.
macam yang inilah dia orang big
Okay.
Yeah, it's like teasing you like iyalah kau ada Velfire. Something like that. Okay. So it felt like that. Tapi they could have toned it down, man.
Yeah.
Plus whatever it is, you've done your contract with them. You need to remember when, even though it's business, and business is not something
Correct.
that is, business is not personal lah.
Okay.
Okay, business is business. You need to remember when they invest in you,
Invested in you, okay, that means they see the potential in you. Correct.
And even though your contract has ended, money is spent, was spent. And it's even worse kalau kau cakap benda macam gitu and knowing that the investment actually didn't
Work out.
There's no ROI there. There's no return of investment there. Not
Okay.
even I don't know how many cents,
Okay.
how many dollar was it.
Okay.
And then I heard,
It was 58,000. I don't know. It was claimed by. Okay, let's go.
as claimed on their thumbnail on one of the podcasts, it's 68K.
Oh, it's
Singapore dollar.
It's 58.
58K,
Yeah,
not
58.
68.
No, 58K.
Okay. Then I was wrong lah.
Okay.
So that being said, investment is investment. They seems like let's go was okay with that much being spent,
And
even
dorang tidak bising about it lah.
yeah, they're
at
not
first.
missing.
Okay.
So I was taken aback actually. Saya terkejut.
Okay.
Tiba-tiba Welo buat macam gini. I mean, what do you want? Kenapa kau buat macam gini ya? If it's up to me, sayang, if I have a podcast like Welo lah kan, and then a big company sponsored me, and then invested in me. Bukan bilang I don't want to bite tangan yang sudah kasih makan,
Okay.
sayang.
Okay.
It's more like it's respect what?
Okay.
You respect those that is already, put their time and effort to you.
Even though there's a positive or negative results out of it, right?
Negative or positive or negative doesn't matter.
No, so the respect boundaries tu sudah breach lah.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's true. And there's no beef actually between them. I'm not sure what happened behind the scene.
Okay.
Kita kan cuma dari luar saja tengok.
Correct.
So that's that for me lah.
Okay. On my side pula, first aku mau disclaimer balik. Even though aku terus terang aku rapat sama Razi, kita rapat sama Okay Let's Go, they've been helping a lot. And bagi aku, diorang hands down, they pave this industry. Diorang yang first monetize podcast and how
Yes.
people can start generating out of podcast punya industry ataupun
Started from scratch, man.
Yes. And diorang yang
Yeah.
kasih systemize so orang lain pun bila buat podcast tahu macam mau monetize and dapatkan sponsor lah.
Yes. In other words, they set the industry standards for Southeast
Correct.
Asia, man.
Yeah.
It gives me
Goosebumps, yeah.
It gives me goosebumps saying that.
Itu macam Pok Wee cakap lah, itu sejarah kau nak boleh hapus lah. Memang
history
diorang
is
dia ada legends dia, the godfather of podcast lah.
Yeah, that's true.
So on my take pula, apabila itu berlaku, memang aku personally aku cakap, bagi aku tu mocking. Because kau ni besar mah, ini kecil mah. Lepas tu diorang cakap macam kita sudah habis dan diorang ada juga cakap masa sama diorang pun kami tidak ada buat banyak pun benda ada bilang.
Oh, okay,
kan? They were saying like there's nothing that much they have been produced lah. Diorang juga cakap yang diorang ada 9 episode per week, which is aku try to look back on diorang punya apa ni episodes.
Are you sure?
Ya, 3 hari bulan, from third hari 3 hari bulan, lepas tu 6 hari bulan, lepas tu 8 hari bulan.
Okay,
Itu sudah berapa jarak? Takkan satu minggu kau beli 9 episod, man. Kecuali kau record satu hari 2 episod tau.
Yalah.
And then kau ataupun kau release that 2 episod in a day.
Yeah, true.
Itu baru kau dapat 9 episod per week, which is aku rasa itu tak berapa betul lah tu.
The maths don't lie, man.
Ya. Itu aku kira tengok di Spotify, kau tengok 3 hari bulan dia kasih release, lepas tu 6 hari bulan ada, and then on the 9th ada. Bagi aku tu sudah productive enough.
Yeah.
You don't have to say 9 episode per week, man.
Yeah, man. That's overkill.
Ya, itu macam
Gila,
exaggerate stuff pula. But okay, on the other hand, diorang kenapa OLG sign diorang? Because diorang potential lah.
Yes, that's
One
true.
of the few yang started, yang kira making it the wave juga last time.
True.
Itu aku have to agree. Tapi itulah to the demographic yang dorang punya niche of market lah.
Yeah, don't be a
Which is
niche.
Gen Zs, Gen Zs,
Yeah.
a little bit of millennials sana. Tapi kepada target market yang begitulah.
Yeah.
So aku nak berapa consume Welo ni, sebab mungkin aku tak dapat vibe. Tapi aku rasa dorang ada banyak followers dorang, meaning saya ada listeners dorang and all.
Yes.
Dan we do acknowledge them because of dorang. Okay, let's go sign dorang.
Yeah,
kan?
that's true. Yeah.
So bagi aku tu video pertama dia orang mocking. So ada juga one of these dude saying di sana yang dia orang cakap yang that's not mocking, man. Itu bukan mocking. Bagi aku, kau try to neglect something yang kau kira macam kau menidakkan sesuatu yang apa yang orang rasa. Dan ada dia cakap, I don't know who's this dude names lah. I don't know this their names. So dia cakap yang how come ini bagi so big misunderstood dia cakap. Macam mana boleh misunderstood yang kami cakap pasal kami sudah habis kontrak and all ni? Kenapa? So kalau begitu maksud dia, kalau kamu pun fikir begitu, kamu pun idiot lah dia cakap. Maksud dia aku pun idiot sebab aku rasa begitu. Kena mocking.
Saya pun idiot lah.
Ya,
sebab I thought it was teasing.
Kan? So meaning to say we are idiot lah. So aku di pada itu aku terasa sikit lah.
Yeah, right.
Secondly, I have to say kenapa podcast di Singapura ni kamu in the big scene tidak bercakap pasal ini. Satu ialah tidak mau give the limelight. You guys respecting ini, tidak mau melibatkan diri mana-mana, tidak mau side mana-mana. But aku respect Kak Abhal lah.
Yeah.
On this side they're still being very neutral. Aku respect Pogbi, the Syam Rahman and all.
Yeah.
What they did very very good. Try to be neutral, tapi dia tidak simpan-simpan. Aku punya take on Welo, kenapa diorang boleh buat begitu macam mocking tu? Because diorang macam ada grudge, diorang ada macam simpan-simpan masa during the 1 year punya contract tau.
Like there's something happened, probably. Yeah.
So in the other hand, bila okay let's go buat respond to the video yang 2 videos yang viral ni
on the podcast,
On the
actually,
podcast.
a few episodes actually.
Yes, they did because they have to. Satu kedua, they do it very technical tau. Yang berapa kau habis, kenapa diorang mau invest begini, diorang ada kerugian tapi diorang tidak cakap juga apa semua. Ini kita bukan side, okay let's go. Ini yang apa yang diorang cakap dan aku rasa benar lah.
It's facts.
Diorang factuals and orang bilang calculative, very numbers and all.
Yes.
And in the business perspective point of view.
Yes. At least this is facts from okay let's go lah.
Yeah. So well, pergi respond lagi balik. Lepas tu diorang kasih snap screen sudah start pok nama, sudah bagi aku tu very childish. Well, did very childish shit. Bagi aku itu kau sudah personal, you being very personal sudah. Kau cakap pasal muka kau macam Diglett, kau muka macam zombie. What are you trying to do, man? Macam budak-budak, man, bunch of kids.
Oh, so that's what they meant.
Oh, okay, you don't get it?
No, I get it.
Okay.
I get it when they said. I thought they was self-depreciating. Macam Zah dia cakap kan, muka aku macam Diglett lah.
No.
Gitu.
That's they yang dorang kasih.
Yes, now I understand.
They call them up. Itu kira sudah personal tau.
Diglett.
Sedangkan diorang okay let's go tidak main personal ba. You know, kita ada bro code yang kita tidak mau langgar tau.
Yes.
Itu satu. So bila kau cakap Razi macam zombie and all apa semua tu, okay, itu aku masih neutral. Zombie Razi mau terima tak terima tu, orang ada opinion dorang masing-masing.
That's personal attacks,
tapi
man.
personal, man. Kau sendiri cakap dorang ada anak bini apa semua. Apa anak dia mau dengar? Apa bini dia mau terima, laki dia kena cakap begitu kan? But this is the business, man. This is the reality kau kena terima. As a celebrity, as an influencer, memang adalah begini kan?
Yes, that's true.
That is itu salah satunya. Kedua, bagi aku, kenapa Welo pergi siap kasih lakon-lakon yang bergaduh diorang, lepas tu Welo kasih bergaduh balik macam childish, macam budak-budak apa semua. Aku rasa diorang yang budak-budak. Tapi I do appreciate yang macam mana diorang try to be very curative
Yeah.
on the pointers yang dorang ambil.
Countering one by one.
Yes,
the
wondering
points.
kasih main, stop, lepas tu kasih explain and all everything lah.
Yeah.
Itu dia game okay bagi aku okay. Aku tak side mana-mana, but banyak sudah komen-komen di bawah ni yang sudah start siding dorang and cakap okay let's go, ada masalah and all.
Yeah.
I'm telling you begini ya. Wah, kamu dulu bukan main happy kamu bila kamu susah senang apa semua kamu tengah down kamu dengar okay let's go kamu happy semua. Bila ada masalah begini kamu start whacking pula okay let's go. Kamu dah appreciate ke the moment yang kamu ada, tidak kira lah dari mana-mana podcast tapi daripada Welo ataupun daripada okay let's go.
Right.
Okay, so kasih happy kamu apa semua time kamu susah yang hampir suicidal and all everything don't dapat save. I mean allegedly.
Yeah.
And time kamu bermasalah kamu curhat and all tapi bila kamu I believe yang pendengarnya adalah dua-dua yang dengar okay let's go, okay Welo dengar ini ada podcast juga. Apabila kamu tidak keluar episod dia orang sampai dengar Kinabalu podcast juga at the same time.
Yeah.
So bila berlaku begitu kamu try judge apa yang Welo cakap daripada video diorang itu doesn't mean it's true juga. We don't know. Itu yang berlaku antara diorang.
Yeah.
And doesn't mean juga okay let's go cakap tu entirely true. We don't know.
Yes,
Because
yes.
itu very internal.
Yes.
Cuma kita mau point yang macam bila kau being personal attack, which is bagi aku tu sangat childish. You shouldn't do that.
It's not professional. It's
Not professional
the ethics that we're looking for.
Dan dorang keluar lagi satu video. That was in Singapore. Dorang keluar lagi satu video, second video on YouTube yang part 2 begitu.
Yeah.
Di situ ada okay sikit. Pertama tu ada lagi bagi aku sangat personal sudah. Tapi what is your point? Kau mau okay let's go reply. It's like this. When you talking to dogs ataupun talk to dogs lah ataupun bunch of packs of dogs and everything kan. Or let's say monkeys lah.
Okay.
So kau bagi dia banana and everything kan. And then dia orang tak mau.
Yeah.
Then you have to act like a monkey to give banana supaya dia orang mau. Do you think you want to go down there?
Oh, stoop so low lah. To that level, right?
Get me right?
Okay, I
Because
get you.
Aku rasa okay let's go tidak akan pergi ke childishan sebegitu untuk menyamakan level dorang dengan Welo dengan lepas tu respond balik sampai bila mau habis. So they being a big brother to just leave it lah, put it aside. Cuma I think enough of Welo to do begitu personal attack begitulah. Enough. Aku tahu dorang pun terasa bila technically Za ataupun okay let's go kasih point it out everything, dorang pun rasa macam I need to cover this. It's all lies. Mana kita tahu dia lies kan tak?
Probably.
Kami tidak bilang pas kami and we also don't know true or not.
Yes.
Or not the 58,000 and everything and all kan.
Yeah. Kita bukan di sana.
Yeah, but what they have need to acknowledge adalah satu, Welo perlu berterima kasih dengan okay let's go. Not just Welo, actually the whole podcast di Nusantara ni.
Yeah.
Because they started everything and then kita pun ikut the system, kita pun try to get monetized macam mana mau monetize.
Yeah.
And bagi aku kalau dorang tidak acknowledge itu dalam setahun tu, kamu something wrong.
Yeah, there's something wrong with if you don't acknowledge the roots lah.
Ya, maksud aku say thank you lah. Walaupun kau tidak sponsor 5,000 dong bayar tahu. Kita mati-mati kerja seriously. We hunger for this shit kan.
Yes, we wanted this.
Yeah, for 4 years kita masih lagi keluar episode, tidak sponsor, ada on off tapi we still keep on going.
True.
Kamu dapat begitu opportunity, okay lah, dorang kasih tahu snap screen. Dorang bilang okay kami mau buat ini. Lepas tu dorang bagi dorang punya contact untuk buat t-shirt, merch and everything. Lepas tu merch tu kasih abai-abai dorang and everything. Lepas tu kenapa kau tak gaduh? Kalau aku gaduh sama Zah, aku akan gaduh sama Razi and everything. Guys, kamu sudah bagi ni konten, kami tak dapat buat ni. Boleh kami buat sendiri? Kami pernah buat merch kami, dorang second part dorang tunjuk tau dorang punya merch.
Right.
So kamu ada punya konten kan, I don't agree to this. Selagi kamu dah berhenti, kami dah mau keluar episode, kami dah mau work bukan gaduh tau. I want to kasih clarify this thing. Kalau kamu dah dapat acknowledge yang kamu punya kontak ni tidak dapat bagi kami serve kami punya merch ni, kami ada kontak sendiri, bolehkah kami buat sendiri? Fight sampai dia orang okay kamu buat sendiri lah. Because dia orang money juga apa semua kan.
Yes.
Apa buat. And then for the show, okay, aku nak mau touch base aku nak mau touch base pasal dorang ada bapa sakit and everything. Aku punya bapa pun tidak juga. Itu hal dorang, we respect that.
Yes. Personal
tu we put it aside lah.
Right.
But kalau diorang bilang 1 bulan baru kau boleh jual tu tiket, kenapa dalam 3-4 bulan tu kenapa kamu tak push? Gaduh saja sama Razi, gaduh saja sama Zah. We want to sell now. Kalau kami tidak dapat ni, kami punya market tak berapa bagus ni, kami tak dapat jual ni, kami kena jual awal and we need to do more. So kami perlu more gas supaya ada traction and everything so that we can do our sales.
Yep.
And then it was 25, I don't know. Ada orang cakap actually 75. Dia orang lie sebenarnya dia 75, ada yang cakap 25. Dia orang cakap OLG cakap 25.
At this point kita tidak tahu.
Kita tidak tahu. So itu kita dah mau touch base.
Yeah, man.
But it is still not a sell.
Yeah,
It doesn't reach the 50%. Still kira flop lah. Kira masih tidak reach the overhead and everything lah.
No
Tidak.
returns, man.
Ya.
No returns.
And it happened today. Let's go pergi guna tu Cherry Discotheque sebab sudah terbayar for the Welo show.
So they have to go.
They have to go cover lah.
Pre-show before the real show lah.
Oh
kan?
iyalah,
That's
sort of
it
like
lah.
that lah. Dia want to
Yeah.
try macam dorang dulu mula-mula lah.
Yeah.
Gitu
Going
kan.
back to the roots lah.
Correct.
Kan? Yeah.
So I think I do my pointers on this one lah. I do put some pointers on this one. Dia cakap ada miscommunication. Dorang cakap pada second part tu macam Zah, macam Razi bercakap dengan Din yang tidak suka Zah. How would the listeners know? How would we know apa yang berlaku? Tidaklah kami di sana memang ada, tapi what is the proof and everything?
Yeah.
Ini adalah one of the tactics yang orang mau menjatuhkan orang juga. At the same time kami dah cakap because we don't know, but whatever in an influencer cakap apapun, we might always just gonna believe.
Yeah.
Because itulah diorang dipanggil influencer.
That's it.
At first.
That's true.
Cakap
Claims
pada
kan.
claims, yes.
Claims.
And also macam orang bilang dia cakap ada communication breakdown. Diorang ni macam OLG ni macam ada communication breakdown. Lepas tu orang komen pun macam OLG ni ada communication breakdown and everything. Meaning to say Welo pun tidak ada communication breakdown with them. Kenapa kamu dah fix dah masa during 1 year tu? Takkan kamu dah boleh fix this thing supaya kamu masing-masing generate positivities instead of negativities at the end?
Yeah, true,
Kan?
true. Because business is business. When you
Correct.
have cooperation, money involved, you need to come together and discuss. Whatever buruk ka, begini ka, it's money involved. Business is business. Come together. You need to take charge.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Bagi aku kalau aku kena bagi peluang begitulah. You know, I'm not saying we're good lah, tapi
Yeah. If we're given a chance,
we
Man.
will whack, man. We
damn.
will whack. I'm not saying that Welo tidak whack,
Yeah.
but to be frank, out of this 1 year, I never seen dia punya FIP. Even though kita follow dorang juga, because okay, let's go, kita pun follow lah dorang. I never seen any of the reels yang terkeluar yang
Dude.
maybe the content is not, I don't know, up to the par or what, I don't know, but that's what happened lah.
I mean, dude, okay, the whole year dari yang pertama sekali yang dorang introduce yang okay, we will be having Welo,
Okay.
be a part of OLG punya
Okay.
ini investment, will help them grow macam gitu kan from the start up until before whatever happened recently. Where is Welo
Itulah kan,
Yeah, I was
kita
like,
macam
where's
bertanya-tanya
Welo?
kan.
So suddenly lah macam okay to me, mungkin something behind the scene ke apa, maybe something big, something good's coming up. Sekali done. So
Habis kontrak sudah.
habis
tiba-tiba.
sudah, and then tiba-tiba woman up. Okay, that's another story aside.
Okay.
So okay, this is lagi lah my opinion lah, right?
Okay.
Unlike you, I do try and listen to Welo.
Okay.
That was like last year. Saya dah cuba dengar je. Because Welo dia punya take on topics kan. Here's what's good about Welo.
Okay.
Diorang ada banyak member, that is one.
Okay.
Secondly, diorang punya ideas when you listen to them, it's good.
Okay.
But the problem is, okay, let me talk about the good things about Welo.
Alright.
Okay. Welo, if they do it properly, they bring different flavors to the table.
Okay.
Whatever that is on the market right now on the
Okay.
podcast scene,
Okay.
diorang ni flavor Gen Z.
Alright.
Dan ada ideas yang diorang bagi ni kan, it's fresh.
Okay.
It's nice. And then they fill the gaps in the industry, right?
Okay.
That's
Correct.
true. So potential growth for growth is there, which is why OLG takes them.
Okay.
Yeah. But problem is, aku tengok macam diorang ni kan, it's like, okay, this is like a part-time thing. I have my real thing going on. And
Okay.
then this is like
Alright.
part-time lah. So I agree when OLG said they are not hungry enough.
Okay.
We have a core business. Kita
Yeah.
ada kerja kita. Tapi we are fucking hungry.
Yeah.
Because
Hungry.
Still hungry. Still hungry like how we eat this. 3 years going, coming into 4th year, we went to KL Pod Fest. Sudah. We still want more. Because this is kira kita punya, the only thing that is, not bounded by anything.
Yeah.
This is the free thing.
Yes.
And then,
This is sort of like a platform lah.
yeah. And then another problem is, okay, they are unpolished diamond.
Okay.
But they stay unpolished. Itu masalah dia.
Okay.
You know why? Because thinking that, their style is okay. Okay, like I said, I listen to Welo kan.
Okay.
Diorang punya delivery, I'm not saying that it's bad, tapi dia sini sana,
Okay.
Okay, this guy want to talk and then another 3 guys want to jump in.
Okay.
So it's all over the place. Sampai there is a few episode yang saya macam, know what? Fuck this. I'll try to skip to another one. Let's see if the audio
You still
is better.
try lah.
I still try.
Yeah.
Because the content is good. The content is good, but the delivery, okay, like this. Let me put it this way. Good content marred by bad delivery. That's all I wanted to say. Some topics okay, but not well thought out. Maybe dia orang fikir okay.
They want to make it like spontaneously.
Yes.
Okay.
Which in some of the episodes memang okay, tapi most of the time is the bad delivery lah.
Oh.
That's all I can say for Welo.
Okay.
Okay. If you're listening to this, kita bukan podcast besar pun. I mean, we improve every day.
Yeah.
We try to improve every day. We try to talk. We're not DJs. We don't have background as DJ. Ricardo have. I'm not.
No.
But I know how to talk. Tapi try not to get it in over your head lah. These
Shock
kind of
sendiri
things
kan?
Jangan shock sendiri.
Yeah.
I mean, we're not big, okay? Kami kecil mah. Bring it back.
Itu mocking
Bring it back,
though.
like, yeah,
Itu mocking
lah. No, I bring it back, man. I bring it back to you,
Okay.
man. But yeah, we're not. So
Yeah.
just don't.
I agree to that. Actually bukan diorang saja, banyak podcast juga yang begitu, yang ramai yang try to blend in supaya tidak bercanggah-canggah bila bercakap lah.
Yeah.
And also aku tengok macam audio diorang macam rabak sikit lah. I don't know need to tweak or what, but macam padahal diorang pakai Rode mic juga, if I'm macam sure Rode mic, very quality mic, but
Yeah, very quality mic,
but
man.
sound is bad tau. Ini orang lain cakap tau, apabila tu berlaku, ada orang BBM kita lah, diorang punya sound dah bagus lah apa semua.
Same.
Kan. See.
Yeah. Probably, I think
The interface,
it's the setting.
probably setting and some. Yeah.
Macam kita dulu, what did we use last time? P24, is it?
R24.
R24.
Zoom, yeah.
It's still good, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, anyway, talking about that, aku mau sentuh sikit lah before. Aku mau sentuh sikit pasal dia orang punya how they ni kira kalau you want to take it as a knowledge ataupun tidak, but the tone, all of them macam hampir sama tau. So we don't know who is who's.
Yeah. Yeah.
And also sometimes they're trying to be so cool pula because of probably because orang ada banyak followers and everything.
Probably, I'm not sure juga. Yeah.
Probably mungkin good looking and all juga kan.
They are good looking. They are good looking. Yeah.
But lose the glasses lah. I don't know with the goggles glasses. the Oakley glasses. What is that? What is that?
Oakley,
Oakley. I don't know.
It looks like Oakley. I don't know.
Cycling punya goggles lah.
Oh, yang besar.
Lose it, man.
Besar.
Come on. Well,
I mean,
okay.
dia style lah.
Okay.
All I have problem is with the sound and the delivery. Itu saja.
Okay.
I think it's probably the sound lah. So everyone sounds the same.
Yeah.
It's like a K-pop group but with the same plastic surgery. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, but okay. Bagus tu kau boleh cakap sorry lagi. Kan.
Yalah.
Satu aku mau before anything ada two things lah. Satu settle it well, gentleman's way.
That is
Jangan
true.
childish pok kau ni zombie, kau diglets and everything. Same goes to okay, let's go. I think they pun do their due diligence to call them up and everything juga. Bukan dong tidak mau reply ke apa. But you guys now mana mau jumpa? But Singapore is very small, man.
Yeah.
Pok Big boleh drive daripada Chua-Chu-Kang come over to Bedok, bawa Yanto from outside in podcast, boleh duduk segala begitu jauh pun boleh kan.
You guys are not far away, man.
Ya, kami sini lagi gila babi tau. Satu kali drive 8 jam tau. So you guys are there. If you want to make it like macam this is a limelight for you guys as a content or whatever it is, I don't know. But if you want to make it, because ni kecil, kamu akan jumpa in the future.
Yeah.
And also if Welo tiada sponsor and everything, ni susah. Ini akan problem to the sponsor yang macam kita dah mau masuk Welo lah, kita dah masuk inilah, tidak masuk ini. Probably gonna be problem.
That's true.
So deal it in gentleman's way and stop personal attack, which is that is so wrong bagi aku.
Don't know.
Jangan childish ni, come on lah. Nanti kamu sudah umur 80, 60 kalau sampai umur, insyaAllah kalau sampai kamu tinggal balik, oh shit, what have I done before.
That was so unclassy.
Kan?
Kiraan gitu.
And last but not least, talking about the snap screens and everything, kalau di Malaysia ni kita ada akta rahsia rasmi tau.
Yes.
You are bound to that walaupun kontrak kau sudah habis.
Yeah.
Kau ada sign kontrak, kan? And then kau punya kontrak sudah habis. Whatever yang berlaku dalam the contract, which is the conversation, the snap screen, the whatever internal yang private and confidential, you shouldn't be taking it out. Kau boleh dikenakan something tau.
Yeah,
legal punya matters lah.
Yes.
Kau tidak boleh, kau dah percaya kami ada snap screen baik ni dulu ni, kau boleh kena sudah. Kalau betul-betul Okelezo mau kasih kena, Welo boleh kena tau. This thing kau sudah memecahkan rahsia yang during within the contract.
Company data leak
sort of like that lah.
That's the thing.
Yeah. So di Malaysia, I don't know, lucky or not lucky to have yang macam kita tidak ada kita tidak tu level of begini kan, mengwacking ni. Kita macam ada the bro code dan masih lagi ada respectful punya manners. Bukan aku cakap Singapore tidak respect. And secondly, kita mungkin juga in a bad way tidak dalam limelight kalau tidak gaduh kan.
Betul juga lah.
kan it's a bad good publicity lah.
Can I say something neutral yet very
controversial?
Not controversial lah. Maybe
pointful lah.
Maybe sound like a conspiracy lah kan.
Okay.
Probably this is a setup. Welo and okay, let's go. Probably. Okay. This is just me thinking. Inilah konten. Saya nak tahu. I don't know.
We don't know.
I don't know. I'm so sorry if you're offended by this, but this is just me thinking out loud.
Tapi kalau kau tengok tu video, I don't think so. It's a personal attack. I don't think so, man.
Anything can be a content.
Yalah. Everybody has their own opinion lah, and they are allowed to speak out lah kan.
It's a day what?
What? So that is our take on Welo and okay, let's go lah. Para podcast di sana tu. Man, issue it out lah. We want to hear juga. I mean, yalah, kamu mau play safe and everything kan, but
probably.
Come on lah, kan?
Yeah, itulah. But this is our opinion. This is what we think. We have a voice, and I hope we used it properly. I think we used it properly.
Yeah.
And
Do we like breach any?
I don't think so.
Takut dah kan sial. Well, fuck it, man.
Fuck it lah.
Fuck it, man.
But we wanted to touch on this because okay, let's go is something that is close to our hearts.
Yeah.
And Welo, for me, Welo is talented, but then you need to
macam kau cakap lah, unpolished diamonds lah.
Yeah, kan? Unpolished diamonds. You should be.
It's a good one, bukan mocking,
Yeah, it's not mocking, man. Unpolished diamond. You should be polished, but yet here you are.
So
hopefully everything is okay.
Good luck for everything. Siapa pun, kita boleh tahu. Kita boleh tahu this orang bilang development of these stories by dia orang punya pembangunan ataupun development orang.
True.
Kalau dia orang satu makin merundum, satu makin menaik, we don't know. Atau satu makin menaik juga, dua-dua makin menaik, probably, we don't know.
Yeah, the maths and statistics never lies.
Never lies.
Never lies, man.
Yeah. So my last advice, no personal attack. Don't be childish on this one. Settle like gentleman's way. And
boxing match.
Sialah. Zah tu kalau badan dia tu boxing.
Dia sudah
Brazil lagi.
3-3 sudah pause ya. Boleh oi.
Din pau kah? Dia selalu pakai baju besar Wan. Nampak badan dia macam mana?
Mana tahu ada 8 packs.
Probably lah.
Macam 8 pack Jesus. Sorry. That was wrong.
What is that?
This okay. Let me give you a context. Ada ba? You've seen the picture before?
Never.
Jacked up Jesus.
Oh.
You remember that one?
Yeah.
It has 8 packs. Someone ukir 8 packs on that Jesus in Korea.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Don't touch that lah.
I'm not saying Jesus, but no.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. Sorry, guys.
So itu je lah. Kalau kamu dengar ni, alang-alang kamu dengar, kalau mau pergi Sabah, all Singaporeans out there, I believe this is gonna be boom juga ni episode. Tapi this is our take. Ya, memandangkan kamu diam-diam saja. Kartel yang kasih keluar sama kita. We don't know what next, but
kira kartel lah.
ya, kau apa hal kan?
Damn.
So kalau kamu datang Sabah ni, kamu rent a car from NH Travel Sabah,
Yeah, man.
ataupun get your itinerary fixed by NH Travel Sabah. Untuk dapatkan orang ni sangat mudah. Diorang ada di social media dan segala-galanya ada. Dan bagi aku, they are one of the best in leading company agency yang doing very close B2B orang bilang punya services.
Yeah, back to back.
Yeah.
Yep.
And diorang is the master di Sabah ini.
Yes.
Ya, podcast ini podcast ini dibawakan kepada anda oleh NH Travel Sabah. Ingin mengenali Sabah dengan mudah, murah dengan perkhidmatan yang terbaik, NH Travel Sabah adalah solusinya.
Ya, dia NH Travel Sabah ni tidak ada konspirasi yang pelik-pelik lah.
Tidak ada kontroversi lah.
Kontroversi pun tiada juga. Jadi tunggu apa lagi? Dapatkan itinerary travelling ke negeri di bawah bayu ini dengan bantuan NH Travel Sabah. Mereka menyediakan perkhidmatan dari kereta sewa, pakej percutian ground Sabah hinggalah pengurusan penerbangan anda yang tidak ada kontroversi langsung. Delay itu tidak dijamin lah.
Ya.
Hanya dengan NH Travel Sabah.
Dan gunakan kod promosi kami, kod Kinabalu Podcast, untuk dapatkan diskaun-diskaun yang hebat. Ikuti mereka di IG, Facebook dan juga TikTok mereka, NH Travel Sabah, atau WhatsApp terus di talian +6 011 1644 8484 hari ini.
Cha-ching.
Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenning.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao,
Bella, ciao.
Hey guys, me Danny Shufian. You're listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.